What's up? Hey guys, it's Ivan. In this video, I want to give you my top 5 reasons for why you should use ClickMagick even if your traffic provider already has conversion tracking like Google or Facebook. So keep in mind, this is coming from an affiliate's point of view. So some of these points will be specific to affiliates. However, if you're promoting your own business, you will still find most of these points useful and valuable for you. So let's get started. Reason number one is that even though your traffic sources may already have conversion tracking, it's very limited. For one, they don't have postback URL tracking. So if you want to track sales for affiliate networks like Max Bounty, Beerfly, Above All Offers, really most networks, you really can't. In ClickMagick, if you go to Tools, Postback URLs, Postback Builder, you simply select your network. It takes a few minutes to set everything up and you're done. You can track sales for those networks. You can't otherwise. The other thing is their pixel tracking. The traffic network's pixel tracking is also limited. Facebook has a good system where you can track leads, opt-ins, people going to the order form page, stuff like that. Google and Bing can't, and most other traffic sources can't. You can only put one conversion, and in ClickMagick, you can put 3 and actually even more because you can put ref values for each one. So if you have a funnel where you are taking people from an opt-in page to a thank you page with upsells, downsells, all that stuff, you can only track one thing with Google. But with ClickMagick, you can add an action pixel, for example, to track how many people sign up. You can add an engagement pixel to track upsells and downsells. And you can add a sales pixel to track how many people actually buy. So tracking is much more extensive in ClickMagick. So even though you may say that my traffic source already has tracking, it's not optimal. It's very limited. That's reason number one. Number two, ClickMagick provides you an easy all-in-one glance. So the first thing you do when you log into ClickMagick is you see the stats at a glance. You see your clicks, unique clicks, flagged clicks, engagement, sales, and your expenses and your profit. Okay, so really useful. So if you have traffic from a bunch of sources, this will put everything in one place. And then if you go to links and you go to a specific link, you can see the details for that link if you use the right tokens and stuff like that. Again, easy to do. But for instance, this link here, cool card tricks. If I hover over any click, I can see in detail what the details are for that click. So for example, my keyword was income. My ad ID was this one. My query string for this specific click was how to make income online. The ad group was men ages 25 to 34. And then you see the device, mobile, desktop, or tablet, and you see the network, in this case, syndicated. Stuff like that. So you see a very detailed analysis. And of course, if you see the sales, they'll show up there. Or you can click on sales here. And again, you can see detailed information and you can see your sub IDs here. Okay. In this case, the sale didn't come from a sub ID, so you don't see it here, but you would based on this information here. So that's reason number two. Reason number three is ClickMagick has very good filtering of your clicks. So whether it's bot clicks, anonymous users, abusers, you can decide how you want to handle those clicks. And there have been cases where users provided proof that their traffic source has been giving them bad clicks and they got a refund for those clicks. So if you go to advanced settings, you scroll down, you can decide whether you want to flag, for example, bot clicks, block them, or just let them pass through, which will of course influence your traffic quality. So if you are buying clicks through solo ad vendors, let me give you a better example. Through solo ad vendors, for instance, you can determine which solo ad vendor gives you high quality clicks and which one gives you low quality clicks. So in this case, this is a really poor score, which alerts me that something is wrong and I'm getting 5 flag clicks. So of course that's not good. So that's reason number 3. Reason number 4 is with ClickMagick, you can track pages you have no control over. So if you want to track how many people go from your landing page to the sales page, the affiliate sales page that you don't own, you can do that with ClickMagick. You simply create a link for that offer. You go down and you add a pixel here in this pixel section. So for instance, here I have my affiliate offer. Down here I have my pixel. And I'm able to track successfully how many people go specifically from my landing page to this offer. You cannot do that with Google or Facebook ads. They don't have that capability. So that's reason number 4. Last but not least, you can add dynamic affiliate links with ClickMagick. So if I go here into any link and I scroll down, I can add a dynamic affiliate link. And what that does is, let's suppose you don't like a sales page that you're promoting, whether you want to add your own bonuses, you want to add your own twists to it, or B, you can't promote that page, the network doesn't allow it without a few changes. You can create your own page and you can still get credit for affiliate sales. So what you do is you put your affiliate link here, which will add this affiliate cookie onto your own page, onto your link. And then when you use this link, that cookie will trigger and you will still get credit for sales, even though they clicked on your sales page and not someone else's. Now, of course, you have to check sometimes with a vendor if you can use your own sales page instead of theirs and stuff like that. Most of the time you can. So this is an awesome way to have control over the process and to create your own page. I also have another video where I show you how to go straight into the order form page in ClickBank and also get credit bypassing the sales form page. You may want to check that out up above. That's my reason number 5 and the top 5 reasons for me why I would recommend you use ClickMagick over, for example, only Facebook tracking or Google traffic or again, whatever other network you can think of. So that's it for this. If you guys have any questions, feel free to let me know down below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I cover a lot of different online marketing tools, tips, tricks, reviews, stuff like that. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video.